Hi, our question is equivalent resistance across A and B in the given circuit. We have to find the equivalent resistance across these two terminals. Okay, it is a simple series and parallel combination. In general, series circuit, for series circuit, R equivalent is R1 plus R2 if two resistors are in series, and for parallel combination R equivalent is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. While solving this kind of problems, we have to keep these two formulas in your mind. Okay, so in this circuit, if you observe this point, whoa, at this point the circuit is exactly dividing into two equal halves. This point is called point of symmetry. Okay, now what I'm doing is I am redrawing the circuit. See here, this one is A, this one is B, and this is point O. Okay, this is point B. This is the point O, and at this point and at this point, at both these 2 points, the potential is same. Okay, so the value of each resistor is R. So if you observe this circuit, these two resistors are in series, and this combination is in parallel with this resistor. Okay, this combination is in parallel with this resistor. For series combination, the resistance is 2R, and which is in parallel with R. Parallel with R means R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, 2R plus R, 3R, 2R square by 3R, R and R will get cancelled, which is equal to 2 by 3 into R. Okay, so now enter this combination is in series with these two resistors R plus R2R. So 2 by 3 R plus 2R. So which is equal to, the LCM is 3, 2R plus 6R, which is equal to 8 by 3R. Now I am redrawing the circuit. Please observe carefully. Entire this combination from this point to this point, entire the combination, the equivalent resistance is 8 by 3R. This is point A, and this one is point B. This is a point O, which is R and R. We have to find the equivalent resistance across these two terminals. Here, this forms a series combination R plus R2R, which is 8 by 3 into R into 2R. R1 R2 by 8 by 3R plus 2R, which is equal to 14R by 3, 16R square by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled, R and R. 16 by 4 means 8 by 7 into R. This is our equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. So the option 2 is correct. Okay, so I hope This is the answer for your question. Thank you.